Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Tonight I am going to have some chicken legs. So what we're going to do, and we're going to have stovetop dressing and some cream of chicken. We're just going to put it in the Pyrex dish and we're going to bake it, and all in one dish, and I'm going to cook this in my Ninja XL cooker tonight. So what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little Pam on here. It just keeps the stuff from sticking, so not bad. So, and all we're going to do is just lay our chicken in the dish. These are really, some of them are really big chicken legs. Sometimes you get them and they're so small. We're going to take a box of stovetop dressing and a can of cream. Now I've got unsalted because I try my best to watch my salt intake. So I've got cream of chicken soup, and we're just going to put the soup right in here on top of the dressing, and I'm going to use about a half a can of water so we can get all the cream of chicken soup out of the can. And we're just going to stir this together. I think we need a little bit more water. It does actually call for 1.5 cups of water. So I should have measured it out, but I just wanted to get that out of that can. There you go. You need to have it a little soupy. There we go. That looks better. So I would go ahead and put a cup of water in here. And we're just going to pour this right over the top of the chicken. And we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. And that's all we're going to do to it. I'm going to put it in my Ninja XL oven at 375, and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to take the thermometer and check the chicken. I want my chicken to be 165 degrees, and it should be ready. Cut our little Ninja on. It's already at 375, and we're going to cook it 30 minutes to start off with. We're going to cook it for 30 minutes. Right now it is preheating. Doesn't take this little Ninja but a few minutes to preheat in the oven, and we'll check it again in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been cooking for 30 minutes. Wow, I can tell you it's not done. That's a known fact. Let's just check it out. It's like up to 130. Well, we shall put it back in there again. Wow. And we're going to cook it. If it's just up to 130 and it needs to be 165, we'll cook it for 30 more minutes. Okay, we've got it going again at 375 for 30 more minutes. We'll come back and check on it. Take the aluminum foil off the top of it and put it back in there, and I'm going to cook it for just a little bit longer so the top will get a little crust on it. And I had my Ninja set on just regular bake. I think I'm going to put it on air roast. Okay, I put it back in there, and I put it on air roast for about 10 minutes, and look how pretty and brown that turned out. That really looks good. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put some in a plate, and we're going to try this out. I think they're the biggest chicken legs I have seen in a long time. We'll put a chicken leg on there, and we're going to take some of this dressing and put it right here. Well, it definitely needs to cool before I can do anything. I put some cranberry sauce on my plate. I really like cranberry sauce. So we have dressing and baked chicken. As you can see, it is definitely done. It is really moist. Really good. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me your comments. Come back to see me. And this is nothing more but chicken legs, a box of stovetop dressing, a can of cream of chicken soup. I added a can of water with the soup, mixed the stovetop dressing and the soup together, poured it over the chicken, put the chicken in a 9x13 dish. I did spray the Pyrex dish. It really does look good. Wish you were here to enjoy it. I will see you next time. Have a good one. And don't forget to subscribe.